The DEWALT 20V Max 6-1/2-inch cordless circular saw stands out with its powerful brushless motor, delivering an impressive 4,950 revolutions per minute. This means you get fast, precise cuts every time, whether you're working with wood, plywood, or other materials. The motor's efficiency also extends battery life, so you can keep working longer without interruption. What makes this saw truly user-friendly is its lightweight, compact design. It's easy to handle and maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended use. Whether you're cutting overhead or working in tight spaces, this saw offers the control you need to get the job done right. Adjustments are a breeze with the tool-free bevel lever, letting you quickly set bevel angles from 0 to 50 degrees. Plus, the saw provides a maximum cutting depth of 2 to 1/8 of an inch at 90 degrees, giving you flexibility for a wide range of projects. These features let you switch tasks without missing a beat. On the job site, convenience matters. This saw includes a built-in rafter hook for easy storage when you're not cutting. It also features a bright LED light to improve visibility in dim conditions, and an optional dust chute to help keep your workspace clean and safe. Safety is a priority with DEWALT. The electric brake stops the blade quickly once you release the trigger, reducing the risk of accidents. This feature adds peace of mind, especially when you're working in busy or cluttered environments. If you're already a fan of DEWALT tools, this circular saw fits right into your collection. Its combination of power, precision, and portability makes it a reliable choice for both professionals and serious DIYers. The battery and charger are sold separately, so you can pair it with your existing 20V Max system. Worth a look if you need a dependable saw that adapts to a variety of cutting tasks. The DEWALT 20V Max 6-1/2-inch cordless circular saw gives you what you want: speed, accuracy, and ease of use. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your toolkit. Ready to experience a saw that balances power and precision? The DEWALT 20V Max circular saw is designed to handle your toughest cuts while keeping you comfortable and safe. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about quality and efficiency.